Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel, and we are back at Sidequest for our weekly Heroclix games. Let's go! Pre-tournament happenings. Round 1 was against JBLOL and his detective team led by the newly acquired Hawkeye and Hawkeye. We lost. Second match was against Kim and his Beyonder team. We won this match Akira style. A rare critical miss appears. Mix picks. Battle reports are in, and this week's champ is JBLOL. Congrats! Thank you very much once again to everyone who participated and supported our Heroclix weekend. And of course, shout out to Marcos, our tournament organizer. Great pricing, hats off to you, sir. And until the next Heroclix weekend, baboo!